Hi all, today we are going to learn N knot. So I already made a knot at the end of the zari thread. I am taking aari tulip needle size 13. I already checked my cloth is tight. You should check if your cloth is tight or not. I am taking small chains. Chain is also called as loop. This N knot is very important because we are going to stitch all stitches with this N knot only. So I am taking a long loop here, taking another loop from the same side, no gap I have done there. So taking another loop makes your first loop small and inserting the second loop. I'm taking the first loop with the head of the needle. I'm inserting the second loop in the first loop and taking the needle, giving little pressure in the needle and thread makes your knot tight, and I'm pulling under the cloth. The knot goes under the cloth. This is the N knot. Practice well.